Hi folks, welcome back to Metabox Tutorials. In this one, I'll walk you through how to create dynamic banners and display them in multiple places on a website using MB views. I'm creating two banners with the same content but varying in size and position like this. They are not rendered as images. The background, text, color, or any element of the banner are stipulated from the content saved in custom fields. So you can modify the banner context to whatever you want, without having to update the layout or develop a new one. I'm using a settings page for the custom fields where we input the banner content. Let's go ahead with this tutorial. There are some tools we need for this practice. The first one is Metabox, to have a framework to create a settings page and custom fields for the banner. We also need some advanced features of Metabox from its extensions. So you can download those extensions individually or use the Metabox all-in-one. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Settings Page. It allows you to create a settings page to input banner information. MB Views. It helps to create a template for the banner. But it's just optional since you definitely can add code to the theme instead. And the last one is the Metabox Builder. It provides a UI on the back end to create custom fields easily. That's all the tools we need for this tutorial. We'll use a settings page to include all the content and other settings of the banner. Just go to Metabox to create a settings page. There is no need for special settings for it in this practice. After publishing, you can see a new settings page named Banner appeared here. It's blank now, so just move on to create custom fields for this page. Here are the custom fields I created for the banner. This is to set to display the banner on front end or not. You can turn on or turn off the banner easily thanks to it. All the other fields are the content of the banner. They're just typical ones. You should create fields based on your requirement of the banner as your own. Now, move to the Metabox menu to create them. Choose the checkbox type for the first field, which regulates whether to display the banner or not. To stipulate the position for the title and description, I choose the radio type. So in their settings we'll have a choice box to fill in options for positions like this. For the other fields for the content of the banner, just create without special settings. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Settings Page, and select the page here to display the created fields on it. Now the custom fields are ready on the settings page, so you can start adding content for the banner. We'll create a template and generate a shortcode for it to easily display the banner anywhere. There are two ways to do it. One is adding PHP code into the theme file. And another one is using the MB-Views extension from Metabox. With the first one, if you change the theme, the template as well as the shortcode will be missed. Otherwise, using the MB-Views will ensure it always works. We'll go through to see both of these ways, then you can experience them all. Go to the functions.php file and add some lines of code. Because we put the fields on a settings page, we have this line to specify that we will get data from that page. This is the option name of the settings page. All of these lines are to get data from the custom fields. For the single image field, we should use this syntax to get the URL of the image. This is the ID of the field. We have a checkbox field choosing to show or hide the banner, so we have this line to get the value saved in this field. For the data from other fields, I want to get them in text, so I use this function. Notice that these are the ID of the fields. The fields are on a settings page, so we must stipulate the object type as settings page and the option name of the page. Then, we use all the obtained data to display the banner using this part. This is the condition to check that you check the box to allow showing the banner or not. If yes, the value saved in the field will be 1. Then we will display the banner as below. Pay attention that I do not display the obtained data directly. Some of them will be used as HTML attributes to specify how the image or the text will be. For instance, the URL of the image is used for the background. The width is also used for the image. The same with the color and position for the title and description. As mentioned before, I'm creating a shortcode for the banner. Then we can embed it to any place. So, this line creates it with the name like this. It will execute code from this function. Go to the editor of any page. Just paste the shortcode. Then you'll see the banner displayed. To style the banner, we should add some CSS. Here is the new look of the banner. I also will try to add the banner to the right sidebar. This is how the banner displays. You can see that the banners in both places are the same in the content and layout, but different in the size. So, with this kind of dynamic banner, you can easily change the banner content and layout without spending time designing a new one, as well as place the banner in different areas and make changes of them at the same time as well. With MB-Views, we need to create a template for the banner. It also should be set as a shortcode to easily put on pages. Go to Views in Metabox and create a new template. In the Template tab, instead of adding code, we will insert fields one by one that we want to get data from. Click on this button. Then look for the Site section since our fields are on a settings page. You will see the list of the fields that we use for the banner. Just click them one by one to insert them to the template. Also choose the format of the data output. After publishing this template, it will automatically generate a shortcode here. Copy it. Then go to a page editor. Paste the shortcode to any place. Then, on the front end, the data will display in the form like this. We should go back to the template to customize it a bit more to regulate how the data should be rendered on the page. The logic of the code is the same with the one we use in method 1 with PHP, but different in detailed text. First, modify this first row to a condition for showing or hiding the banner. It means that if the field with this ID is checked, the stored value will be 1, and then the banner will be allowed to display. Then, turn some data to attributes to stipulate the style of the banner. This is the banner width. So move it up to the newly added code. Do likewise with the image URL to set it as the background of the banner. For the title and description, also move the color and position to be the attribute for their style. Now the code seems shorter and simpler than the one in PHP. Just update this template and see the new look of the banner on the page. To prettify the banner, go back to the template. Add some CSS. Now, the banner displays on the front end at full width with the right layout. Since we have a shortcode of the template for the banner as well, you also can add them to multiple places on a page, or even different pages. I also did it with the right sidebar as the previous part in method 1, then you will have a clearer comparison. So, no matter what method you choose, you will get the same results with the ability to add banners in multiple places, have the same content for all the banners but different sizes, and dynamic content that you can change easily without affecting the banner layout. What do you think? Let us know your idea or feedback in the comment section. If you want to learn more about how to play around with MetaBox, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.